Hi, Reno Nadiandi here, and today I will share the new way to create golden brush text in Canva. Go to Element and then choose Shapes, choose the square, change to black, increase the size, add a text, and type the text like just brush. Change the font to brush, type here, and choose regular brush. I will increase the size. Go to Element, type splatter, under graphic, CO. I will choose this one, change to white. I'll write this and paste it here. And back to Element. I will choose this one, change to white. I'll place it here. Or duplicate and rotate, place it here. Now go to position, layers, select all the elements, go to share, see all, and choose copy to clipboard. Remove all these elements, right click here and paste. Back to element, type goal on the photos. I will choose this one. Now select the clipboard and then click apps. Type here blend, enter. Choose blend image, select it and then click here on the bottom layer, use selected image. Now click the gold and click use selected image on top layer. Okay, and then choose darken here. And remove it all. Click add to design. And now you have it. So this is the tutorial. I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.